Learn am, is, and are. Are you ready? Let's see. What do am, is, and are have in common? They indicate the present. They are the forms of the verb to be. What words go with am, is, and are? Am is only used with I. For example, I am happy. I am in the park. I am walking. Is used with he, she, it. For example, Lisa is a student. She's at school. Tom is a student too. He is at school as well. She's studying. So is Tom. It is a wonderful day. What about are? When is are used? Are is used with we, you, and they. For example, Lisa and Tom are students. They are at school. They are studying. Are you at school? Are you studying? Yes, we are. We're studying. Let's see if you remember. Did you get your answers right? Let's see. Good job, everybody. For extra practice, write about yourself and your friends or family members using am, is, and are. See you next time and see you soon.